Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand new video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to write documentation on GitHub. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, the first thing would be is to go to your GitHub, and the documentation on GitHub is the README file. So whenever you are creating a new repository or you already have a repository, you would find in GitHub that to initialize this repository with the README file. And basically, the README file is the documentation. You can simply go to your previous repos, and from there, you can simply add a README file from here. So as you can see, we can simply click on Add README file. And basically here, we will be able to start writing documentation. Now, the catch is to learn a bit about the syntaxes of the MD files. So basically, an MD files is a markdown files. It's kind of similar to markup languages, and basically, you will have some syntaxes that you can try so you can format your text. So basically, there will be, for example, uh, titles, headers, for example, bold fonts, italic fonts, etc. And simply here in GitHub, you can do all these. For example, can just type hello world, and as you can see here, now you will be needing to format this text, and you can preview your formatting here in the preview of GitHub. Then you can start committing changes. And simply you can simply go to the GitHub docs, and from there you can learn some basic formatting syntax. And from here you will see that for headings you can try these formatting, and basically we can just do like that. And as you can see, we will start seeing the headers. Also, you can try do this for all these style. You will find the bold style by adding this asterisk, the italic style, and you can do them between each word. For example, let's just do something like that, and let's go to the edit, and here we will add a sub, and basically from here you can just preview, and you will have a sub uh, formatting, etc. And basically, this is how you can start creating documentation on your GitHub. Thank you for watching and see you next time.